was the one who stood by your side when the storms were heavy and the world was wide. I took the Louis moon and I made her my own, the sweetest seed that I ever had sown. From the morning tea to the mussel at night, I was the one who was holding her tight. I didn't need a paper to prove my love, it was written in the stars in the sky above.
Nothing that I see came from across the sea. A big job offer, but it didn't include me. You left a girl in my island hand to be the best data in the Fiji land. I did the school runs, I did the wash, while you were living life acting all posh. But I did mine, so I did it with grace, just to see the smile on a little face.
Now I'm a legal stranger in my own home, walking these beaches feeling all alone. The loss is biological, the loss is I'm a ghost, but I'm the one who loved her the most. Legal stranger, why you treat me so? You let the island love go. Yeah, yeah. Then the court paper came like a thief in the night. The biological father came to claim his right. He don't know her name, he don't know her song, but the law told me that I don't belong. I watched her leave, yeah, I watched her go. Tina Sarah is the heaviest pain I know. While you're in the city brand new and bright, with a tag and name for holding you through the night. Months pass by, not a word, not a text. I'm just a memory of what happened next. I see the photos, you're looking so free, with a tender neighbor who didn't build with me. Was I just a bridge, was I just a stay, until a better man came along your way? Isale, my heart is in pain. Now I'm a legal stranger in my own home, walking these beaches feeling all alone. The loss is biological, the loss is I'm a ghost, but I'm the one who loved her the most. Legal stranger, why you treat me so? You let the island love go. Oh, oh. Stranger in my own home, walking these beaches feeling all alone. The loss is biological, the loss is I'm a ghost,